Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation point of view is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general areas and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So first question, and really kind of first dynamic that's taking place now, is the fact that the price has shown some signs of strength, and the sign of strength, quote unquote, is getting back above this 9,600 mark. Although now, as I talk, the price is basically slightly below it, but it's right within this area. The problem is, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, is that the price came up here and got immediately rejected right at that purple line. And I've talked about this 50-period moving average, in several videos in the past, and not shocking at all, especially when you consider the history of things, where the price has been up around this area on several occasions, and every single time has been rejected. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it is impossible for the price to break up above that purple line, again, the 50-period moving average. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price once again struggled today to get back up or above that area of the chart. So that's kind of the long way of saying that question number one, watching this, and let's use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one revolves totally around that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and to assign a value to it, let's call it 9,800. So question, where's the price at relative to 9,800? If you're answering the question that the price is still down below it, well, then nothing has really changed as of the recording of this video. Now, if you're answering that the price is up above it, well, then at that point, that's where some common sense and gut instincts comes into play. Meaning, well, how bullish is it? Well, how far above, the level is it? I mean, if the price is just slightly up above 9,800, don't get me wrong, that's definitely, movement in the right direction. But if you're answering the question that the price is way up there, above 10,000, well, at that point, that would be telling you that not only has the breakout happened, but now the bulls are actually gaining that much more strength with the breakout. So like I said, gut instincts and common sense will take you far in that regard. On the flip side of things, though, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,800, well, the next question becomes, okay, well, where does the price currently sit in regards to this area down here at the 9,000 mark, which, as I've talked about in past videos, is currently the key level of support. If the price were to, if you're answering the question that the price is now all of a sudden down below 9,000, that would be telling you that the bears are having themselves a very good time, and that the wheels are continuing to fall off the bus. But as of right now, yeah, the price has made, some, movement to the upside, but it all revolves around, can the price actually break above that $9,800 mark, representing that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So the next 24 hours looking like they're going to be pretty interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.